Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.4.7 on AlmaLinux OS 10.1. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with AlmaLinux, that is Firefox. Go to MySQL official website, it is mysql.com. Click on downloads, scroll down. See here we have the MySQL community downloads. Click on it to download. Then click on MySQL community server. Then select the version. See here we have the 8.4.7 LTS version. Select it. Then select the OS version. Red Hat or Oracle Linux. Then select the OS version. See here we have the Red Hat or Oracle Linux or AlmaLinux 10 x86 64-bit. Select it. See, once we selected, it populated the list of the RPM packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. But instead of downloading each package, just download this RPM menu. So click on download. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is about 875 megabytes. Okay, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then we will untar the star file and we will install MySQL Server 8.4.7 on AlmaLinux OS 10.1. Okay, in meantime please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Now go to downloads, ls. See here we have the MySQL Server tar file. We have to untar it, tar-xf, then MySQL, then press the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter, ls. See here we have the list of the RPM packages. We have to install them. Sudo control A, sudo rpm -ivh no deps, then star.rpm. This command will install all RPM packages from the current directory. Hit enter, provide the password of the sudo user, hit enter. See, we are installing 8.4.7. See, we have successfully installed. Now Control L. Now verify the status of the MySQL server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL D. If you don't give D, it won't work. We have to give MySQL D. See, MySQL server is installed, but it is not started. So start it. Sudo systemctl start MySQL D. Now verify the status. See, MySQL server is started 3 seconds ago. You to quit, Control A. Now connect to MySQL server. But to connect to MySQL server, you must have the password of the MySQL user account. Either it may be non-root account or root account. Okay, but we don't have anything. So we can get the MySQL user temporary password by going to sudo more/var/log MySQL d.log, then grep, then password. See, we got the MySQL user account temporary password. This is not same for you. Now set the permanent password for the MySQL root account. Sudo MySQL _secure installation. Now copy this temporary password, copy this one, paste it, hit enter. Now set the permanent password for the root account. Remember this password, later we need this password to log in. I don't want to change again. Remove anonymous users, yes. Disallow, no. Remove test database, yes. Reload privileges, yes. So we have successfully set the password for the MySQL user account root. Okay, now connect to MySQL server, MySQL -u root -p. Then provide the password that we have set for this user. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server 8.4.7. You can also get the version by running select version. See, we got the same. Okay, Control A. Now verify databases, show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Now create database. See, we have created database. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run the command use the keyword, then provide the name of the database. Database changed. Now verify list of tables in this database. See, we don't have any tables, so create table. See, we have created table customer. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay, now we'll create user. Before that, verify list of users. So users, this won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running select user from mysql.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Now create user. See here, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Now verify the same. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to MySQL server with this new user. Exit mysql-u, then new user name is David-p. As I told you, whatever is there in singular double quotes, that is the password. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server. Now verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have connected to MySQL server with the user David. Now try to connect to the database that you have created. Use then. See, access denied for user David to database bank, because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. That's why you have received this error. Exit. Okay. Now, until we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL command line client. You can also connect MySQL server by using MySQL workbench or DBR. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL workbench or DBR on AlmaLinux OS. Okay. Now we'll see how to start and restart MySQL server 8.4.7 on AlmaLinux OS 10. Sudo systemctl stop mysqld. Now verify the status. See, MySQL server is inactive or dead. See here. Okay, we have stopped it 5 seconds ago. The other ways, you can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. MySQL-u root-b. Then provide the password. See, you are unable to connect. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start mysqld. Now verify the status. See, MySQL server is started 2 seconds ago. Okay. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart mysql. Verify the status. See, MySQL server is restarted 1 second ago. Control it. We have successfully installed ls. These files are not required anymore, so remove them to clear the space. rm star.rpm. This command will delete all rpm packages from the current directory. Hit enter. ls, we have one more file, remove it. rm mysql, then press the tab to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. ls, we have cleared the space. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL server 8.4.7 LTS version on AlmaLinux OS 10.1. Okay. For more MySQL or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.